10 tips to help you lose weight fast. Cut back on sugary and high-calorie foods. Reduce your intake of foods that are high in calories, such as sweets, junk food, and sugary drinks. Opt for healthier options like fresh fruits and vegetables. Drink water. Drinking plenty of water can help you feel full, reduce your appetite, and boost your metabolism. Aim to drink at least 8 to 10 glasses of water a day. Eat more protein. Eating foods high in protein can help reduce cravings and make you feel fuller for longer periods of time. Some good sources of protein include lean meats, fish, beans, and nuts. Exercise regularly. Regular exercise is essential for weight loss. Aim for at least 30 minutes of moderate intensity exercise every day, such as jogging, cycling, or swimming. Reduce your portion sizes. Eating smaller portions can help you consume fewer calories and lose weight faster. Use smaller plates to control your portion sizes. Eat more fiber. Foods high in fiber can help you feel fuller and reduce your overall calorie intake. Good sources of fiber include fruits, vegetables, whole grains, and legumes. Get enough sleep. Lack of sleep can affect your metabolism and cause you to gain weight. Aim to get at least 7 to 8 hours of sleep every night. Limit your alcohol intake. Alcoholic drinks are high in calories and can contribute to weight gain. If you do choose to drink, do so in moderation. Keep track of your progress. Keeping a record of your weight loss progress can help you stay motivated and on track. Use a weight loss app or a journal to track your progress. Stay motivated. Losing weight can be challenging, but staying motivated can help you stick to your goals. Set realistic goals and celebrate your progress along the way. Surround yourself with supportive friends and family who can encourage and motivate you.